Congratulations, David. Thank you for the contact. All the best. Espero escucharte pronto. 2 November Yankee 14034 Alpha Bravo 020. 3 all the best, 73. 73, thank you for the well. God bless you and your family. From you and 140.
34 Alpha Bravo 020 520 Ontario, Canada.
520, Canada.
Yeah, I'm back. I figured out where you are and I turned my beam. Is you got a better copy on me?
Yeah, excuse me, I have a sobremodulation. Repeat again, 520.
Yeah, 520 Ontario, Canada.
Okay, 520 Ontario, Canada. 57 in Canary Island, Northwest Africa, yes, sir.
Roger on the Canary Islands, Northwest Africa. Well, that's a far distance for me.
5759. My name is Santi. Sierra Alpha November Tango India from Tenerife Island, Canary Islands, Northwest Africa, yes, sir.
Yeah, QSL, Santi. You've got Ted here, Tango, Echo, Delta.
Okay. Remember, before contact, no?
Yes. I turned my beam a little bit. I've got a little 2-element cubicle quad antenna here, and I just turned it a little bit better to more to your direction.
My antenna direction now, a moment. Now, what's my signal in Ontario?
5x7 in Ontario, Canada. Sounds really good. Really good signal.
59.
Roger on that, Santi. My first contact to Canary Islands. Sounding good.
First contact with Canary Island.
Yes, Roger.
Oh, extraño. Raro. No. Many stations Canada.
Okay, very good. Well, that's a first for me. So anyway, Santi, I appreciate the contact. I hope to talk to you again sometime. We'll say 7-3 for now. 520 Ontario, Canada.
Okay, Ted, thank you, my friend. Again, 73, very strong, 59. 73, all the best, Ted. Hasta la próxima,
Ciao, 7-3, Santi, my friend in Canary Island. We'll chat with you again. 520 Ontario, Canada.
Gracias, Ted, thank you.